All right, so we just purchased and installed the wall-mounted fan. This is the remote control. I'm gonna hit the on button. It'll automatically put it to high, then medium, then low. There is a timer and a mode, and it does oscillate. I will make it oscillate. We did find, my husband and I, that this fan makes the same amount of noise as a tabletop fan by the same manufacturer. So it's really quiet on low. And then you can just hit that oscillating button again and it'll stop it. And then we can just turn it off. I love it. What a great alternative to ceiling fans. We sort of have a oh, my cat's under the bed, but we have sort of a seaside feel, and the air moving in here keeps that feel going. So, all right, thumbs up.
So this fan I bought off of Amazon. I almost bought one from Home Depot, but Amazon had a better price. There's a remote. 3 speeds. Oscillates easy. You can stop it anywhere you want. The install was easy. It's high powered. It's quiet. I love this fan. The remote works all the way across the room. It's great for my little workout area. Yeah. This is a great fan. What a good little deal.
been almost a year, but I only worked for a couple months. It's not air at all. No air. There's no air at all. Look at this.